If you get lower back pain from sitting for too long, then you must try this exercise program, which is just 10 minutes and with a physiotherapist. Let's begin. Sitting for long periods is the worst for your back, especially when you already suffer from lower back pain. Start with lumbar extensions. It's the opposite posture to sitting and slouching, and it takes the pressure off your disc and joints. We're going to hold each lumbar extension for 10 seconds and repeat it a few times. Finish off with one more lumbar extension and hold it for 10 seconds. Now walk behind your chair or a sturdy surface for support and balance. Pull your left foot to your bottom for a quad stretch at the front of your thigh. Keep your knees in line and gently squeeze your left buttock for a more stronger stretch. Hold this stretch for 20 seconds and alternate sides. The stretch should be felt in the front of your thigh and not in your back, so make sure that you are not arching your back while you do this stretch. Good job, you are doing well. Now let's sit down for our piriformis stretch. I want you to cross one leg over your other leg, arch your back, and then lean your chest forward. I want you to lean at your hips rather than slouch with your back. This stretch should be felt along your left buttock and along the thigh as well. You'll feel the stretch wherever you're tightest. So some of you may only feel it in your bottom and others may only feel it on the side of their thigh. And others will feel it in both. Change sides, arch your back and lean forward at your hips. Hold each stretch for 20 seconds and alternate sides at your own pace. I'm going to show you how this stretch looks like from the front view. If your knee hurts, you can hold your knee underneath like this and lift it up a little bit to take the pressure off the knee joint. Moving on to seated twist. Cross your right arm over your left leg and hug your backrest with your left arm. Pull into a gentle twist. This stretch targets your middle and upper back. Hold it for 20 seconds and alternate sides at your own pace. I'm going to show you this stretch from the side view now. When you do this stretch, you can either hold the back of your chair or the seat, whatever is more comfortable for your shoulder. Standing up again, place your foot flat on your chair with your knees slightly bent. Arch your back, tilt that tailbone back, lean the chest forward, and lean forward for your hamstring stretch. Hold this stretch for 20 seconds and repeat on the same side until we change legs. Sitting frequently and for long periods shortens your hamstrings. Tight hamstrings alter your spine posture and also reduces your ability to bend forward, placing more stress on your lumbar discs. It's time to change sides. Remember to keep your knee partially bent, arch your back, and lean forward. Hold the stretch for 20 seconds and let's do this a few times before we move on to our next stretch. Let's line our back now. Lift the right knee up, bring it across your body, and pull that knee close to the floor while trying to keep your right shoulder also flat on the floor. This is called the supine twist stretch, and it focuses on stretching the lumbar spine. You should feel this stretch in your lower back, buttock, or thigh, wherever you're the tightest. Gently return the leg and repeat the same stretch on the left side, lifting your left knee up and pull it across your body towards the floor. Change sides, lift your right knee up and across your body, holding it for 20 seconds. Let's do it for the final time on the left side. Bring your left knee up and across your body. By this stage, you may feel that some of your flexibility is starting to come back. Hug your knees to your chest and gently rock side to side. This gives your lower back a bit of a gentle massage. Great job! You are done for today. Practice 3 to 7 times per week and combine with regular exercise and movement for best results. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and write me a comment. And I'll see you in the next class.